In this video, I'll show you how to fix drift on Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons. Step 1. Calibrate the stick. Go to the system settings, then controllers and sensors, and then go to calibrate control sticks. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Clean the stick. Power off the console and remove the Joy-Con. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean around the stick. Step 3. Update your controller firmware. Go to the system settings, controllers and sensors, and then go to update controllers. Install any available updates. Step 4. Now test in game. Try the Joy-Con in a game to check if drift is resolved. Repeat calibration or cleaning if needed. Step 5. Seek repairs if needed. If the drift persists, contact Nintendo support for repair or replacement. Avoid opening the Joy-Con yourself unless experienced. And that's how you fix your drift on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you.